What's up, y'all? We are going to Brahma to buy my new phone, which is the iPhone XS Max. I got him with me today, and I have my uncle and my mom. See you when we're at the mall. We're about to enter Brahma and go to Apple. Can't see me. There's a lot of people here, so I'll just see you when I get it. Hey guys, so I am finally home from that long drive, even though I didn't have any footage of the drive, but I have my new iPhone XS Max. And the great thing about this is there was no struggle, no 1 hour, 2 hour wait about it, compared to like me buying the other phones, because I think we bought this on a weekday. Today is Thursday, April. Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Thursday, April 11th.
April 11th. So yeah, here is the new iPhone. Okay, so now unboxing this beauty. I'm on the floor because, oh my god. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Y'all aren't, but we're opening it anyways. Of course, they have the Design by California. Let's look at that first. They have the hello, and then they have the instructions on probably how to open it. Then they have this SIM card thing, and then iPhone user guide. So basically, people who haven't probably use iPhone yet, and then stickers. Now let's set that aside and let's go on to the iPhone. Oh my goodness, look at that beauty. I am currently editing, and I just forgot that I didn't make an outro, so here's an outro for y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful day, night, or afternoon wherever you are in the world, and just be awesome and be yourself. Love y'all.